What do you do when you've got a dated old bed that's perfectly comfy but just needs a refresh? Hey, my name's Geneva and I'm always making something. I've seen so many of these dated upholstered beds. This one's my brother's and I'm giving it a go up. The first thing I'm going to do is remove the leg. The next thing I'm doing is laying out this boucle fabric and cutting it to size. I feel like with boucle you either love it or you hate it. I did actually consider doing linen for this, but I decided the boucle would be easier to execute and it was on sale. The most important thing is to keep the fabric really tight so it has a nice finish. For most of the bed I can hide all of the staples on the inside or the back of the bed frame. On the front side where you can see the join, I actually stitched the edge. After I'd done this, I tested a few staples and realized they looked exactly the same. The next thing I did was cut out those screws that would help me put the bed together. After adding the boucle, I realized that those original feet were not going to look good. I originally thought they were plastic, but I noticed some scuff marks and realized that they were probably wood, and so I decided to give them a sand down. They actually look so much better. The final step was to reassemble the bed and then style it just for fun with some beautiful new Sheraton sheets. And there we go, my upcycled upholstered bed. Looks so comfy and costs like $50.